So this top that I have on here is wonderful. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks in just a moment. But it is by Bella Lily. I have to let you guys know it was during the summertime that I ended up getting this top. So, it's been a few months. I don't remember the price. Look at that. It's a Hallmark and movies hot cocoa kind of day. I know that's right, because that's exactly how I'm feeling. Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today, and welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, it features two DIYs. One is a Christmas DIY, and the other one is geared towards my coffee bar. So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I got this idea from Clueless Mama Deek, who I will be in collaboration with this Saturday in the next upcoming video, to use the other side of this sign for my Christmas sign for my coffee bar. acrylic paint and chalk paint because it is so versatile. And here are the results. I will reveal where I place these items in my next upcoming video.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next coming video this Saturday.